We proclaim today that Boston is less than the sum of its parts. Now, we love Boston. What we mean is there is a lot of cool stuff going on in Boston, but the regulations, out-of-date outlook, and power structure are holding our city back from being the best it can be. We have spent the last year talking to Bostonians, and everyone has stories about the system being rigged for the connected. From liquor license to permits, we've heard people complain about transportation, the state of the taxis, or lack of venues, late-night dining, 24-hour gyms, and cultural spaces and events. We don't want our city to be a place that would ban moshing or tell Nike what kind of shirts they can put in their windows. We have all seen how the absence of collaboration, dialogue, and the presence of public personal animosity has had a chilling effect on the cultural and entrepreneurial life of the city. Well, no longer. The Future Boston Alliance has arrived. We are a group of people who have come together to build on the already amazing grassroots movement underway to change Boston for the better. We want to help bring Boston into the 21st century, create an open city where there is no monopoly of ideas or access. A city where people say yes more than no. Boston can and should be one of the premier cities globally for entrepreneurship, cultural activity, innovation, and fun. But if we don't level the playing field, tweak some rules and regulations, and foster a new openness, we will never stem the brain drain of post-college and 30-somethings leaving Boston, or prevent exciting businesses from relocating, like Facebook did. Future Boston will push cooperation, dialogue, new ways of thinking, and will come together to advocate for change, from cutting red tape to bureaucracy. We will support new businesses and events. We will voice our opinions on issues such as transit improvements and how to ensure that there is a vibrant cultural life that serves everyone. We need to attract, keep, and foster talent and improve the quality of life for all. And if we don't, we will lose out to other cities that do. Future Boston rejects the idea that if you are critical of Boston, then leave. That speaks to an old-school defensiveness that we don't have. We just want to push our city because we believe wholeheartedly Boston can once again be a city that inspires the world. But we can't do it without your help. Join the Future Boston Alliance.
The future of Boston is ours if we want it.